Bulletiners, Daft Scotch Lash here again, and it's week 3 of the Out of Your Comfort Zone monthly challenge on Beauty Bulletin. This week's challenge was to find a beauty technique or a makeup technique that you're not very good at, that you've always been a little bit reluctant to try because you're not very good at it. For me, that was these babies. False eyelashes. I've always loved these. I love the look, I love the glamour that it gives, but I'm not very good at applying them. So this week I'm going to be trying to apply these babies right in front of your very eyes so that you can see how terrible I am at it, and maybe you guys can give me a few tips on how to actually apply them properly. So here goes. Right, so I've opened this tiny little tube of adhesive, which is actually to affix the false eyelashes to the top of your own. And this actually came out black, which I'm very, very concerned about, because surely this is going to make a hell of a mess. But nevertheless, let's give it a go. So I'm going to get the little eyelashes out of their packaging. Apparently they've got adhesive already on them, so I'm not quite sure if whether I should just apply it directly, but I think if I know from experience, I've got to put a little bit of glue right at the top here and then try and stick it to my eye. And as I say, I have never got this right without looking like a complete idiot. So as you can see, I have applied one of the eyelashes at a major stop, but it gives such a dramatic effect. I really wish that I could get the right technique to put these babies on and not make a complete hash of my eye. Maybe the key is getting an eye adhesive that's not black, that's actually clear or white, so that when you put your eyeshadow on, you can actually conceal the glue. But at this stage it's very difficult to do with a black adhesive and a very pale skin. So let me try the other one. So as you can see, with my falsies on, it looks absolutely terrible. It's not gluing all the way round. I've tried with tweezers, I've tried with my fingers, and I can't seem to get it right. So I really need your help, Beauty Bulletiners. Tell me how I can get this right and look glamorous like they do in the glossy magazines. Good luck with the monthly challenge. Enjoy week 3, and who knows what's in store for us for week 4. See you soon. Bye.